Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to my workshop. Thanks for joining me to enjoy the adventures I have in this shop. Today I'm going to make a set of steps that go up to the entry in my shop here. To do this I'm going to have to go and lay the click flooring first. It's a plastic clip together flooring. I'll do that first and then we'll construct the steps and install it. So thanks for coming along. Then we'll go and have a look at some plans on the area and what we're going to do. So these are the plans of my workshop. So this is my workshop here. We dug out all of this area a few years ago. It's under the house. This was a small single car garage area which we've made deeper. And then this year we've put on this area here. It was an old porch and now it's become a two-story building. We've got an office upstairs in this area, have a lift in the corner, and this is the outside door which I go through. So I go through this door, I'll go up these steps and then outside. So we're going to be building these steps. So this area is where I've got to put my flooring down. My flooring is already in the workshop. So from this area here I'll be relaying the flooring and then building these steps and installing them. I'll just zoom in on the... So that's the area there. The steps won't be in the corner. We've moved that door slightly over more central in that area. Right, let's go start the job. Job done in this area. Just got to do it into the door now. So we're going to have a little bit of a clean up and then we'll head into the door, the lift door. So we're going to carry on now and do a very quick drawing so I can work out the length of the stringers on the side of those steps we've just had a look at. Now I'm not a drafts person by any means, I just do what I call chicken scratches or a bit of drawing, but hey, fun goes in it. So that's my floor. fit in as I cut it. So this is a side-on view stringer, so I'll have two stringers the same. These will get routed out, so the 3 steps fitted in. There'll be 3 screws in each one. Alright, so like I said, we had a little 990 there, didn't we? Which one am I using? This one. 990. So I will go and get my timber. I'll get that at our local Bunnings, which is our local big store for getting building supplies for the average person. Alright, I'll head off and get that. Okay, so we'll take that out and see if that fits nicely in the entry. Now that's really good. So now we're just going to cut the 2 squares off here. So I know this line, this edge of my sled is on the blade, so I'm just lining up on there. And this corner here is on there, so that's... Same on this one. Right. Let's go have a look. Alright, I'm going to make up a template for the router to router out the slots in the stringers. So this is just an offcut of the timber I'm going to use for the steps, so we'll use that. So I'll just rip a about there, it should give us the 2. Always use a bit of glue. Probably doesn't need it, but it makes me feel better. Alright, that will do. This is just to hold that centerpiece in. Hold it all together. Okay, I'll give that a... So that is our template. I don't want it too tight because these vary so much, this timber from the merchants. Yeah, see that one's a good fit. Right, so I'll be putting an angle piece on it to go on, but you'll see that in a sec. Okay. working out a bit of timber there, but that's what we want. Okay, that one's done. So I'll just do the next one, but I'll do that one off camera. Okay, let's screw these together. As long as we get the right end to the right end. Yep. Okay, steps are in. Work really, really well. Just about dance on them. Very happy. So I'll be able to go in and out of my door here easily. Unlock. Happy man. So when I come into the back of the workshop, my car eventually will park out here. I'm going to have the electric plug for it there. Come in here, you go to the workshop or upstairs. Fantastic. So now we just got to, I actually will unscrew them, take them out, and we'll put a finish on them and then reinstall them. Alright, thanks for coming along this journey. I appreciate that. See you on the next one.